This next equation is a difficult one to do in year 7, and it's unlikely you'd get asked it. It would also be very difficult to do with a flowchart. I mean, how would you start? Starting with y to get the y on the bottom here. So we can do it using a balancer, and I just want to indicate how we can do that. So let's start with the equation. 30 divided by y, take away 2, is equal to 4. Now remember, the objective is to get the y by itself. Now there's a couple of different ways you could go about this, but I think the first thing I would do is add 2 to both sides. So I'm going to have 2 plus 30 over y, take away 2, equals 4, add 2. So I've done the same thing to both sides. I've added 2 to both sides. But on this side, of course, inverse operations means that I now have 30 over y. And on this side, I have 6. Now, you may be able to spot the solution at this point, but if we continue with a balance, what I would now do is multiply both sides by y. Now clearly that's an inverse operation on this side, and so we just end up with 30. On the other side we've got 6y. And now, because I like to have the variable on the left, I would just write it the other way round, and clearly if 30 is the same as 6y, 6y is the same as 30. And then we can just divide both sides by 6. Doing that gives me y on this side and 5 on the other side.